Great birthday now, Rahul. Let's look at the last preliminary fight. We have Karan Lama fighting Anthony Syam.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the cage, Karan Lama!
और करण लामा आ रहे हैं केज के अंदर। करण लामा शिलोंग से हैं। करण लामा अपने आप को
Manan, the next fighter coming on is Karan Lama. Now, Karan Lama has played extensive amateurs across the country. Manan, do you know he's the youngest fighter to enter MFN cage as a pro?
Yeah, Rahul, I remember he was telling us he's just 19 years old, which is amazing. And his keys to victories are he's got effective punch-kick combos, he closes the range and charges, and he's got a great takedown defense. I think that is a beautiful arsenal to have. When you have awesome combinations of kickboxing and you can also defend takedowns, that makes you a vicious fighter, that makes you a vicious striker.
Well, I think we have the Indian John Jones moving into the cage. This guy is tall, he's lean, and he has vicious kicking power.
And another interesting fact, Rahul, about this man is that he actually was first participating in virtual championships. He participated in a virtual championship, and that's how Alan Fernandez found this boy, found his talent, and gave him a chance here at Matrix Fight Night. So, you know, Rahul, man, when you want something and you work for it, you never know where it could come to you from. A virtual championship, can you believe that?
Well, yes, this boy has been hustling for the last 3 years, from Delhi to Bangalore to Palghar, where his current camp is. And when the virtual championship happened, this guy was at the best, and therefore he gets the fight.
राहुल, ये तीसरी और आखिरी फाइट है प्रीलिमिनरी में, और मुझे लगता है ये जो फाइट्स हमने अभी तक देखी हैं ये इतनी अमेजिंग है कि मेन कार्ड में क्या होने वाला है हम सोच भी नहीं सकते हैं. If the preliminary fights are so full of action, we can't even imagine what the main card will have.
And his opponent making his way to the cage, Anthony Syam!
And Anthony Syam is now making his way to the cage. This guy is known as the Shillong Gangster. ये अपने आप को शिलोंग का गैंगस्टर बोलते हैं, ये अपने आप को आउटलॉ बॉय बोलते हैं, और काफी टफ फाइटर है राहुल एंथनी. इनके कीज टू विक्ट्री अभी हम देखेंगे, बट मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूं राहुल, व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट एंथनी शिलोंग गैंगस्टर?
Well, Anthony, the outlaw boy, Shillong Gangster, is a fun guy to watch out for. Anthony is actually training and running his camp at Nongpo, which is ahead of Shillong. Now he's one of the first fighters from Shillong to make his way at MFN cage. Again, a young gun, and let's look at his keys to victory. He's got powerful takedowns, he charges inside and makes it dirty. As I said, he's a gangster, so he's going to make it dirty. He's got a strong mount and a ground and pound game. But at the same time, against him, we've got Karan Lama. Karan Lama is tall, lean, and actually he's got vicious kicking power.
So on one hand, Rahul, we have Karan Lama, जिनकी keys to victory में हमने देखा he's very good at stopping takedowns, and on the other hand, we have Anthony, जिनकी keys to victory में हमने देखा कि he's good at takedowns. So I think this is going to be a match where Anthony tries to take Karan down, and we have to see if Karan can defend that. Let's look at the tail of the tape. Go ahead, Rahul.
Karan Lama hails from Maharashtra. He's 19 years of age, height 182 centimeters, weight 66.1 kgs, and his primarily combat style is kickboxing. On the other hand,
Ladies and gentlemen, first we introduce the blue corner. He weighed in at 66.1 kilograms, fighting out of Maharashtra. Make some noise for Karan Lama! And his opponent fighting out of the red corner. He weighed in at 66.4 kilograms. Hailing from Meghalaya, the Outlaw Boy, Anthony CM! Ladies and gentlemen, as the action begins, the referee for the fight, Abhishek Bish.
If you want, go to your corner.
और पहला राउंड शुरू होने जा रहा है। एंथनी एकदम गैंगस्टर की तरह अपना, जैसे उनका नाम है उसकी तरह नीचे बैठे हुए हैं। करण लामा रेडी हैं, खड़े हुए हैं और देखना यह है कि एंथनी करण को नीचे ले जा पाते हैं या करण एंथनी के साथ एक स्ट्राइकिंग मैच कर पाते हैं। राहुल, क्या बोलते हो आप?
Karan has a massive reach advantage in this, and Karan is a very consistent as well as mindful fighter, and I'm sure these are the things that are going to help him in this bout. Oh, look at the right, look at the right hand that he's throwing. My goodness, look at the kick. Look at his reach, he's got an excellent reach. On the other hand, Shillong Gangster, I don't think so he can get inside Karan's hood and make it dirty.
I think with those right overhands and those kicks, Karan just made Anthony respect him a little bit. Oh, what a nice left hook right on the button. Oh, that kick rocked him, but he came back so viciously and took Karan down, man. Wow, what a comeback.
Honestly, this is a big night for both the guys.
Just look at the power. Wow.
Who's your favorite, Manan?
I think the gangster is actually gangster. I was actually waiting to see, Rahul, if this guy just has gangster on his name or is he actually gangster. But he ate that shot and then he came back with a takedown, man, immediately.
Look at him, honestly. Anthony is a tough guy. He's been training in Shillong. Oh, he gets rocked.
Wow, Anthony's long reach is really working to his advantage. He's able to stay on the outside, throw some long kicks and punches, and that's working for him. He's just playing it cool, man. Look at the difference in the body language.
Look at Karan's footwork. He's managing range excellently. Oh,
And he caught that kick, slammed him back. It's almost like a, oh, that was a flying elbow or a punch.
was that a Superman punch?
I think it was a super.
Oh!
And he rocked him hard. But he's back up on his feet. This is insane, Rahul. Like, if you're watching this fight, you cannot even blink. I think Karan is rocked. That's why he's bouncing around, trying to regain his balance, trying to gather himself. और एंथनी इस मौके का फायदा उठाना चाहते हैं और करण एक्चुअली दूर भाग रहे हैं इस टाइम एंथनी से। एंथनी ने जोर से फेंका करण को। एक्शन बिल्कुल हमारे सामने है इस टाइम, कमेंट्री बॉक्स के एकदम सामने चल रही है एक्शन। एंथनी ने अपने हाथ करण की गर्दन के आसपास डाले हुए हैं।
But Karan here is doing a good job trying to take him down.
And Karan does take him down.
Manan, as I said, Anthony is a gangster. He will try to get inside Karan's hood and make it dirty. And he's actually made it dirty for Karan.
राहुल, इन लड़कों का दिल देख के मैं इतना खुश हो रहा हूँ। इतनी अग्रेसिव फाइटिंग हैंडल करने के बाद, इतनी डैमेज हैंडल करने के बाद, they still come back and they give it their best. This is incredible, man. This is incredible. These guys are true warriors.
Karan had an excellent start, but I think he's actually rocked. He's eating punches. We have got less than 2 minutes to go in round one. We can see the Shillong Gangster charging in.
I think अब दोनों थोड़े से थक भी गए हैं।
I don't think so. I don't think so. They are gassed out. Maybe Anthony is, but not Karan. Karan is taking his time, trying to recover. Oh,
I see Anthony taking deep
excellent
breaths.
shots.
Oh! Oh my God!
Is that a knockout?
This could be game over right here. That was a hard punch.
Anthony trying
गेम
to
खत्म हो
take-
सकते हैं यहाँ पे।
Anthony
1.5
trying
मिनट
to
बचा है
take
अभी।
his back. He just needs to put his hooks in.
Karan is still there in the fight, Rahul, it seems. He's rocked. He's fully rocked.
Karan is rocked. Karan is rocked. I thought this gentleman actually can do wonders here. But Shillong Gangster is
I
actually
think Anthony
making it dirty.
Absolutely, Anthony अभी इसलिए फाइट खत्म नहीं कर पा रहे हैं क्योंकि उनको बहुत सांस चढ़ा हुआ है. देखो, he's taking deep breaths. वो इसीलिए फाइट खत्म नहीं कर पा रहे हैं.
Look at Anthony, he's trying to put the hooks in. We've got 45 more seconds in round 1.
40 seconds is a long time. 40 seconds is a long time, Rahul. Anthony could finish him here.
Lamba is rocked. I think Karan is actually off the grid in this round.
Wow. और लामा फिर खड़े हो गए हैं. डेफिनेटली उनकी हालत बुरी है. डेफिनेटली उनको काफी डैमेज हो रखी है. बट वो फिर भी खड़े हैं. ही स्टिल मूविंग अराउंड. हैट्स ऑफ टू दिस बॉय.
And look at Anthony. He's there. Look at his stance. Absolutely like a gangster. We've got 10 more seconds in round 1.
Nice kick.
I love the way he eats that kick and tries to take down. So Manan, who do you think gets this round?
Rahul, that's, I mean, I don't think anybody needs to ask that question. ये round तो obviously
Let's look at the highlights.
Anthony को गया है.
Karan actually had a good start, but then look at the way Anthony came back.
ये किक के बाद एकदम टेक डाउन लेने की टेक्निक बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. ये देखिए, एक किक पकड़ी और कंट्रोल किया उसके बाद. ये एक पंच था जिसने
I think that was the
really hurt.
game changer in
That
round
was the
1.
game changer and that really hurt Karan Lama. And there was another one later on, this right hook that landed right on the chin. It was just too much, man. He has eaten
my
so many
goodness.
shots. He's eaten so many shots in this fight. And right now, I think we are going to determine whether Karan Lama can even continue this fight or not.
Well, I'm sure he's going to continue. He's the fighter Lama.
राहुल, हमने पिछली फाइट में भी यही देखा था कि क्लिंटन को बहुत खतरनाक एल्बोज मारी गई थी.
And Clinton came back.
Clinton came back and actually
came
won
back.
that fight.
Yeah.
So
Well-
अभी अगर हम ये बोल दें कि एंथनी ये फाइट जीत रहा है, it could be premature.
Manan, that's the beauty of our game. That's the beauty of our game. We never give up.
राहुल, आपको क्या लगता है अब इस राउंड में करण की क्या स्ट्रैटेजी होनी चाहिए? अब करण को क्या करना चाहिए दूसरे राउंड में?
I think Karan should march in full power. He's got a long reach. He should start using that reach. He's got good footwork, and he should ensure that Gangster doesn't charge in, because the moment this Shillong gangster Anthony Saim charges in, he makes it dirty, and we saw it happening in round 1.
बट सवाल ये उठता है कि इतनी मार खाने के बाद क्या आप चार्ज कर सकते हो? क्या आपके अंदर वो पावर है, वो स्टैमिना है?
Bilkul Manan, Karan has been hustling for the last 3 years to make an MMA career. This is the day he's been hustling for. Tonight at MFN 5, I'm sure he's going to come back in round 2.
राहुल, I think it's going to be a knockout. I think एक और पंच पड़ेगा करण लामा को और इस बार गेम खत्म हो जाएगी. I don't think he can take a third shot.
Oh my goodness, a good elbows, good exchange of punches.
What an exchange, and
I
Karan
told
Lama
you
saying,
about
come
Karan.
on.
Karan is ready for war.
Wow, absolute mayhem, man.
Look
Hard
at the
kick.
kicks these guys are throwing.
That was a hard kick from Anthony. Karan's still in it, Rahul.
Karan
He's
is
still
in
in
it.
it.
He will be in it. You know what makes these guys excellent in their pro career at MFN? It's that they've been playing amateurs all throughout. Both of them have played more than a dozen amateurs. And they've been playing IMA nationals wherever it's happening. That's the beauty of it. So if you guys...
और दोनों fighters अब cage के against हैं. And I absolutely agree with you there, Rahul. You have to be playing a lot of amateurs if you want to make it big, if you want to become a pro fighter. You know, a lot of fighters these days, they just quickly want to reach high levels, they want to become pro fighters, but that's not how the game works. You have to have at least 15 to 20 amateur fights under your belt if you want to get to this level.
Well, yes, both of them have these many fights. Now, herein, this could be a dominant position for Karan Lama because he may be in the mount. He just needs to be pushing himself a little bit away from the cage and then he can start pounding. Oh my goodness.
Elbows.
I think that's it. That's it.
खतरनाक elbows. ये तो बिल्कुल गेम ही उल्टी हो गई है.
I think
Oh my
Shillong
God,
Gangster is done.
Anthony turns around. This is a bad sign. But there's a reversal right there.
Oh my goodness.
This is crazy. This is a roller coaster, man. This is so unpredictable.
Manan, welcome to MFN5.
Welcome to one of the best fight cards in the history of Indian MMA. Every second is like there's something new happening, there's something completely unexpected happening.
In the middle of all this, I still have a suggestion for both these guys. Guys, go learn jiu-jitsu, learn to pass the guard, get on the dominant position. Look at the reversal by Karan.
Rahul, I also feel, when you do only jiu-jitsu in a comfortable gym, in a sweet little environment, it's very different from when your opponent is throwing vicious elbows right on your nose. So, while I totally understand where that suggestion comes from, this environment is different. Maybe that's the reason you're not seeing those perfectly executed jiu-jitsu techniques.
Well, Manan, to an extent,
और अभिमन्यु अभी टॉप पर है, अभिमन्यु अभी टॉप पर है, but sorry, Anthony अभी टॉप पर है, but Anthony थोड़े थके हुए लग रहे हैं, and that's why I feel he's not able to execute his techniques the way he was doing it in the beginning.
We've got 2 more minutes in this round. Manan, coming back to the jiu-jitsu point, I think for an MMA fighter, cage jiu-jitsu is absolutely different from the mat jiu-jitsu. However, passing guard on the mats and passing guard on the cage is the same thing. There's no difference. Unless and until you segregate into gi or no gi, but in MMA, you need to learn how to pass guard. That should be one of the basics. Now
Yeah, and I see some blood coming out of Karan Lama.
Both the fighters in north-south position.
This could be a bad position for Karan Lama. He's already hurt, and if he eats
Anthony
a few shots from
is
here,
on the mount, and this is a dominant position for
he's
Anthony.
raining down punches.
He's finished so many fights like this,
and could end here.
I think this is over.
Rahul,
I
it could
think
end
this
here.
is over. Shillong Gangster gets this. He's taking all the money back to his hood in Shillong.
I don't think Karan has anything else left in his tank now. I don't think he can defend this. If Anthony can just keep going and keep raining down those shots, it could end here.
I think what Anthony needs to do is have a strong mount. He's got 50 seconds and start pounding one by one. He doesn't have to stop. He doesn't have to. That's what I meant. That's what I don't want to see. And from here, I think from that position wherein Karan is in the turtle, if he puts both his hooks in and goes for a rear naked, he has an advantage. But we still have 30 seconds in the round. Anything can happen. We've seen intense action from both these athletes.
Those hammer shots, Rahul, are ugly, man. Anthony throws them with a lot of power, and I bet they're really doing huge damage.
Well, 15 more seconds to the round. Not sure if he can pull a rear naked. I think both these fighters are resting.
I think Lama is going to be saved by the bell, and this fight is going to go to the 3rd round. Oof, another shot.
Well, that's it. That's round 2. Intense action, Manan. It's excellent.
और हाइलाइट्स को देखते हैं, क्या पंचेस एक्सचेंज हुए हैं, खतरनाक। और करण लामा इतनी मार खाने के बाद भी खड़े होकर कह रहे हैं आ जाओ और लड़ते हैं। यहाँ पे करण लामा ने टेक डाउन लिया, काफी देर तक डोमिनेट किया उन्होंने इस पोजीशन के बाद। एल्बोज मारी, बहुत देर तक करण लामा ने इस पोजीशन में डोमिनेट किया, एंड देन आउट ऑफ द ब्लू Anthony reverses this position, and for the rest of the fight we see Anthony dominating. In fact, towards the end of the fight ऐसा लग रहा था कि ये फाइट यहाँ खत्म हो जाएगी, TKO हो जाएगा, बट किसी तरह करण ने सरवाइव कर लिया। I think it has a lot to do with Anthony's stamina also. He was a little tired, he wasn't able to throw down heavy shots. We are live from Palazzo Versace, Dubai. We have a beautiful audience here. We have some VIPs, some celebrities enjoying the show, and man, I am overwhelmed by this action. करण लामा जिस तरीके से इस फाइट में हैं, जिस तरीके से सरवाइव कर रहे हैं, और नॉट जस्ट सरवाइव, वापस मार भी रहे हैं. It's not like it's become a one-way fight. Karan Lama is still dangerous. We saw that when he was on the mount. Karan Lama is still dangerous. Anthony needs to be still careful. But if the third round goes the way the first 2 rounds went, then this fight is going to go to Anthony, and the Shillong Gangster would have actually proved himself as the gangster. And now it's time for round 3, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go.
Manan, I think, and Anthony has been pretty lucky with his striking, and Karan has been lucky too. Let's see who gets this round. So far, Anthony has been able to put up a war here in the cage. And I'm really hoping that round 3 brings in some intense action. Well, that's a nice technical
करण लामा की
takedown.
तरफ से takedown बहुत ही
That's a
बढ़िया
nice technical takedown.
और आई थिंक ये इंटेलिजेंट स्ट्रेटजी है मेरे हिसाब से राहुल, क्योंकि करण ने माउंट पे बहुत डोमिनेट किया था और ही वुड वांट टू गेट दैट पोजीशन अगेन.
Well, let's see. We can hear the corner shouting, use elbows, use more striking. I think what Karan is trying to do is, he's in the north-south position. He's trying to go onto the mount and then start landing punches. What do you say, Manan?
राहुल, जब ये लोग आपस में स्ट्राइक कर रहे थे तो वी सॉ कि एंथनी वाज एक्चुअली गेटिंग द बेटर ऑफ दोस एक्सचेंजेस. सो दैट इज व्हाई आई थिंक करण हैज चेंज्ड हिज स्ट्रेटजी इन द लास्ट राउंड. ही डज नॉट वांट टू फाइट एंथनी स्टैंडिंग अप एंड ही वांट्स टू टेक इट टू द ग्राउंड एंड इट्स वर्किंग फॉर हिम. He's got a dominant position. He's landing elbows, and if this continues, if he improves his position, if he continues to land shots, Karan could take this round and potentially maybe get a submission or a TKO, because he's still dangerous. Even though he's been hit hard, Rahul, multiple times, he's still dangerous.
Well, Anthony here has the shorter reach, but I think he's got powerful striking. He literally rocked Karan Lama in the first 2 rounds.
I think what we have to see now, Rahul, is that after taking all that damage from Anthony, does Karan Lama have enough left in his tank to do something?
Well, I think so. Look at the way these guys are acting very mindful. Karan Lama is acting the cop against Shillong Gangster. He's got the gangster in his control. Now from here on, he needs to pull a submission or maybe finish the fight. I don't want this fight to go to the judges.
See, in this position, even though Karan Lama is not doing much, he'll still win the round, right? Because he's dominating.
Manan,
but that's not enough.
Manan, Karan Lama is here playing the cop. He's got Shillong Gangster in his control.
But he needs to do more, Rahul.
Exactly.
He can't
He needs to
just stay in this position.
Well, from here in, he might pull some submissions. But look at Shillong Gangster. Look at Anthony. How tenacious he is.
Wow, vicious
my
elbows.
goodness.
He's throwing some vicious elbows, Rahul. A few more of those and I think Anthony will be really softened up, all set for a submission.
Manan, what I've seen here is that Karan Lama doesn't have powerful striking, though he's striking, but he's not able to do any damage.
It's probably also because he's been knocked, Rahul. He's been hurt. And the fact that he's still in the fight the way he is in itself very commendable.
Well, much respect to both the fighters, but I love the way
There's
Shillong
a
Gangster
reversal.
is getting up. This is exciting as it gets. And Manan, this is Shillong Gangster is going
माउंट
for
लेने
the
की कोशिश
mount.
करी उन्होंने, लेकिन पूरी तरह आया नहीं है. हाफ गार्ड है, बट यहाँ से भी वो बहुत डैमेज कर सकते हैं. जो हैमर स्ट्राइक्स मारते हैं एंथनी, बहुत ही खतरनाक होती है, बहुत पावर होती है उनमें.
Manan, I must say, Shillong Gangster is tenacious. He's absolutely tenacious on the ground. Look at the way he's reversing. He's trying to throw strikes. He is actually, maybe, I'm not sure, but I think this bout, I'm going to give it to Anthony. What do you say? If it goes to the judges.
This bout is clearly going to Anthony, Rahul. All 3 rounds Anthony has dominated, even though Karan Lama had his moments in between, but it's been a one-way fight, Rahul. Right from round 1, it's been a one-way fight. और बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं अभी एंथनी, dominant position में रहने का और ऊपर से shots भी मारने का.
Manan, we've got 60 more seconds in this round. Do you think from here Karan can pull a submission? I don't think so.
I don't think he can, Rahul. I don't think he can.
Because Anthony's in his half guard.
And Anthony actually doesn't need to do much, Rahul. He can just relax. He doesn't need to try and look for a submission. He doesn't need to throw too many shots. Even though he is throwing a lot of shots and really powerful ones, just look at that elbow. But he doesn't need to do any of it. He can just lay there and the judges are going to give him this fight.
We've got 30 more seconds in the round.
Man, he's throwing some powerful elbows to the body. That's the thing about this guy, Rahul. Every shot that he throws, it's got power behind it. He's not just throwing his hands without power. He's putting everything into every shot that he throws.
Well, yes, I think this is going to go to the judges' decision. Just a couple of more seconds for this round.
Round खत्म हो गया है. शिलोंग गैंगस्टर डांस कर रहे हैं, सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं और उनको करना भी चाहिए. क्या कमाल की परफॉर्मेंस, माइंड ब्लोइंग.
Manan, you won't believe. Until yesterday, I thought Shillong Gangster is just a gangster. He's here to have fun. But today he's proved Shillong Gangster is here to rule. Yes, yesterday he told me that
he just came to us. He just came to the commentary box right now. Okay, let's just look at this replay, Rahul, first. So Karan takes him down. It seems like in the beginning Karan is dominating, and he is to quite an extent. He's got a good position. The problem is, however, that he does not have power in his strikes, and he's not able to do much from this position. He's not able to advance it. He's not able to get a submission. And then when Abhimanyu does the reversal, when Anthony does the reversal, he goes straight back to his main thing, which is dropping bombs, which is throwing vicious strikes. Each and every elbow, Rahul, that he threw was full of power, man. He wasn't throwing any of those strikes half-heartedly.
Wishing a lot of luck to Karan Lama in case he loses this bout. We are still awaiting the official
Rahul,
decision.
how can you say in case he loses? Come on, man.
We still don't have the judge's decision.
What do you mean in case he loses this bout? What do you mean in case he loses this bout?
I'm giving it to Anthony. And yesterday Anthony told me that he's a real gangster. And if we want to hang out, we can go to his hood, and he's actually waiting for money in his account.
Yeah, he actually invited me and Rahul to a party. Anthony actually said, Manan and Rahul, come party with me after I win. But I have to, I have to say, to Karan Lama's credit, man, this guy took so many shots and he was still in there in the fight. You know, any one of those shots can completely knock out a fighter, Rahul.
Manan, I've seen Anthony training, and he can actually, throw tires, multiple tires at the same time.
Yeah, but all of those shots were fight finishers. They were fight finishers, Rahul. Any one of those punches could have ended the fight, but Karan Lama kept going. He kept coming back. And, I have to give that to him. He's tough, man. He's tough. But clearly, the tougher man in the cage right now is the gangster, Anthony.
Manan, is that a Conor McGregor lookalike tattoo on his chest?
I don't think so, Rahul. That's more like a crown.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds of action here, we go to the judges' scorecards. Judge Sami scored the bout 29-27. Judge Jeetu Jain scored the bout 29-27. Judge Mayank scored the bout 30-26. Declaring the winner by unanimous decision, the Outlaw Boy, Anthony CM!
और इस फाइट के विनर हैं एंथनी द शिलोंग गैंगस्टर. व्हाट अ फाइट यार, मजा आ गया.